Hey guys, welcome back to the Holiday Road Travel Vlog. Thanks again for joining us. If you haven't yet, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. It really helps us out. And you get to follow us along on our adventures. But you want to tell them where we are today?
Yes, we are in Portland. Well, we're on our way to Portland, Maine. We are staying in a small town outside of Portland, Maine at the moment. So we're gonna drive up there and see the coast a little bit. But it is a beautiful morning. Where we stayed last night is stunning. We had an oceanfront view. It is awesome.
Right now we're at the Union Bluff Hotel here at York Beach, Maine. And like Deanna said, we're gonna road trip up to Portland before we have to make our way back down the coast to our flight out of Boston tonight. Our next stop here is at Ogunquit Beach. It's about 4 miles north of York. Really cute little town behind us. Amazing public beach access here. It's all just so pretty, and the fall leaves are just perfect right now. Somehow we timed it just right, the week before Halloween. Just beautiful. All right, we made it down here to our final destination of the morning, which is Portland, Maine. Much bigger city than what we expected. But we're about to head to lunch at the Eventide Oyster Co., which is supposed to have really good lobster rolls. And then we're gonna stop after that at the famous Portland Head Lighthouse.
Thank you. She'll get you.
You want to share what you got?
I got a mandarin orange soda from Portland, Maine. Handcrafted here. I have your fish sandwich.
If you're in New England and you don't get clam chowder, you're doing something wrong. That restaurant was absolutely awesome. It was very expensive and the portions were very small. So I'm not sure I would definitely recommend it. But it was worth stopping. It was cool. Lobster roll was really good. But now we're somewhere super cool. We're at the Portland Head Lighthouse. Talk about an iconic landmark. Absolutely stunning.
I think we've seen like 20 puzzles with this lighthouse on it, so pretty cool to see it in person.